Hello, children. I'm so happy to see you. Today we had a lovely class, and I want to show it to you. We worked in our book, the workbook one. Let's go to page 72. Looks something like this. Okay, you will need your crayons, lots of different colors, because we're going to color it today. So if we go to our book, page 72, we will have this little exercise. Okay, so we have a bee, a flower, then a bee. What do you think is next? Yes, a flower. Very good. Now we have a frog, grass, frog. What do you think is next? Yes, grass. Very good. Now we have tree. We have some leaves, a tree, and then what do you think is the third one? Yes, some leaves. So do it with your favorite pencil. So we have the bee going to the flower. You complete the rest of them, okay? Now, we have a big bee and we have a small flower. Let's listen and trace.
Page 73. 2. Listen and trace. Say the sentences. 1.
The bee isn't small, it's big.
2.
The flower isn't big, it's small.
Yes, so in this picture, we see that the bee is not small. It's very big. In the flower one, number 2, we know that the flower isn't big. It's small. So we trace them to a very, very nice, going around the edges. Oh, has to look very good. Our next exercise, we watch the story, remember? Well, we merely listen it. Now, we're going to circle what is it the kids are saying. So we have in number 1, we can divide it on 1. Excuse me. So we have number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2, okay? That's easy to know which one to circle, okay? So let's listen.
Workbook. Page 74. 3. Listen and circle. 1.
Look, it's a bird.
2.
Ouch, it's a tree.
It's a tree. So we have in exercise number 1, we have to circle the one that it's telling us. It says, look, it's a bird. Should be number 1 or number 2? Number 2, very good. Now, ow, it's a tree. In number 2, should we circle number 1 or number 2? Circle the correct answer. And for the last thing, to end the class, we listen to the song again and we color our frogs. Remember, they started 4 frogs in the tree. There comes the bee and boom, they fell. until it was none left. So color with your favorite colors. I know it will look so good. And don't forget to trace around it, okay? Very nicely. Bye-bye. See you next class.